So today we are going to be doing the whole face. Now here I have quite a complicated system of showing how the face is worked out in proportion. So if you want to have a look at that, you can obviously pause the video and have a good look and see how that is worked out. I won't go into all of that detail. I'll show you a much more simpler way of drawing it, but this is here for you, obviously, if you wish to look at it. So we're going to start drawing the face. The first thing you need to do is to draw in an egg type shape. I have my trusty HB pencil here that I'm drawing with. When you've got your egg shape in, I want you to find the halfway point. See if that's it. Just keep my pencil there, pretty much on it, right there. So that's about the halfway point across that shape of egg. And then the eyes will go on this line, the top of the eyes. So you're going to have, you've got to think of that almost like three eye shapes going across here. So that one and then that one. I know that looks really weird, but this is the space that you have between these two eyes, and it is the same as the eyes. And those are similar there as well. Okay, so it's almost like you have 5 eyes across there. Quite clearly you don't have 5 eyes, so you need to take those 2 out. But that will now place the eyes where you want them. Then the nose comes down halfway, which is there. That will be the point of the nose, and then the mouth is again halfway between that. Okay, so if this is the point of the nose, the end of the nose will go up like that. The nostrils, the edge of the nostrils should roughly be in line with that inner edge of the eye. If you have to move things around a bit, that's fine. The edge of the mouth, if that was the centre of your eyes, the edge of the mouth would be coming out to about that point. Obviously, we know that all faces are slightly different, so this is only just random. So I've tidied up some of my lines that I've drawn here just to make it look a little bit neater, and I've given a little wiggle on the mouth here. And then on a scrap bit of paper, I would like you to get a soft pencil like a 4B and put some lead down on the scrap bit of paper, like so. And then with a tissue, get some of this lead onto your tissue and rub it all over the face. So I have rubbed a very soft amount over the face there, and I'd like you now to just take the insides of the face in a little bit there, which is near the eyes, and they come out just a little bit like that. So I'm just making a slight wiggle, comes back out here on the cheekbone, and then in, and then a soft chin, and do the same on this side. So we've got a little bit more shape going on within the face. So also you're going to need a neck. The head stands up on a neck, and if you look at the outside edges of your eyes and you come down, that's where your neck will be. And it might come out like this. So okay, there you've got the basic shape of the head sitting on the neck. If you remember right back on when we were doing the sphere, we took out the edge of the line of the shape there. So you're going to do that around your face as well. So you see I have taken out that line that was around the face, and then you're going to need to have a little bit of shading under the chin and into the neck. So you can just start to put that down and rub that in. It should be very slightly darker than the chin. So I have put in some shading down here and blended it in with the blending stick here. I have also thought about it being slightly darker around here and under here and on the edge, a little bit lighter here and fading round, and the fact that the neck comes down here and there are two kind of things going on there. So just a little bit of thought, but you can easily change that along the way if you need to. And then it's a matter of going in and doing the mouth, the nose, the eyes, like we have done in my previous clips, and then I'll show you what to do from then onwards. So I'm going to carry on and get those bits in as I've done before and come back to you. So I have put in the mouth, nose, eyes like we have done in the previous drawings, and then you're going to need to do a little bit more shading into the face. So there's going to be a little bit darker up here and a little bit darker up here.